Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and I hope everyone is doing great. Today I decided to do a small Dollar Tree Valentine DIY cocoa bar, and the DIYs I'm doing are very easy and very simple, and most of the items are Valentine items. And I'll start off with this beautiful sign. I love it, and I'm going to take this off because I'm going to do a DIY, very simple DIY. And I also purchased this sign, and I like this one, and it has a little paper heart inside of it, and I'm going to do a DIY with this as well. And I purchased this, I think I'll take this apart. I purchased these ornaments, and I will place these on a little tree. I purchased some picks, these little, I guess they are ornaments, and it's 24 pieces. And you get the pink, the red, and I guess wood tone hearts. And I will use these on a DIY. I purchased some straws, gold and silver straws. And these are my favorite marshmallow cookies. And I usually eat these with my hot chocolate. And I love them. And I purchased these pretzels rods, and they have, this is white chocolate. I chose the white chocolate because I have a lot of chocolate items. So they do have milk chocolate. And purchased two of these K-cup hot chocolate cups, and I will add those as well. And I think that is it. Oh, and I purchased these little paper flowers. Probably use them on my little tree. This is a Russell candy box, and I love this box because this year I noticed inside the box top I did a DIY, and I added some, it had wording in there, but I added more wording inside of it, and I thought I could use the top as a sign. Okay guys, now I'm going to set up my cocoa bar. Of course, you guys know I use my cabinet because I do not have a cart. And I want you guys to please excuse the noise because I'm babysitting my grandson. He's in the background. And I cleared off everything except for the coffee machine. These are the DIY signs, and also I added my beautiful tree with Dollar Tree picks and ornaments. And also I added a Dollar Tree trim, rhinestone trim on the vase. So now I'm going to add the rest of the Valentine items. My cocoa bar turned out nice. It was a little difficult because I'm babysitting my grandson and he likes to play a lot. So I had to keep my eyes on him. But anyways, I'm going to give you guys a closer look. I think it turned out very beautiful, my Valentine bar area. And I hope you guys give me a thumbs up, and please, thank you guys for watching and always supporting my channel, and many blessings.